Bonjour à tous! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lou. Welcome back to part 3 of my France vlog. In this week's video, we are back in beautiful Paris. And before we continue, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe! Alrighty, so first day back in Paris, we went to a wax museum called Musee Grevin. So before you get to see all the wax figures, there's a mirror and light show. I thought it was kinda spooky, but it was pretty cool nonetheless. There were so many wax figures of popular people and celebrities, and they all looked so real. This wax museum was really fascinating. I have no idea how they managed to make all these wax figures look so realistic. After the wax museum, we made our way to Garnier, the opera house. This is one of my favorite places in Paris. I'm totally in love with the architecture, the art, and the grandeur of the whole place. It also reminds me of when we had to learn Phantom of the Opera back in high school. After we left the opera house, we stumbled upon this perfume museum called Fragonard. You could smell the perfume from far away and we had to go visit. No regrets. It was a guided tour, so it was really interesting to see how perfume was made back then versus now. And at the end of the tour, we could also smell all the different perfumes that Fragonard makes, and we had to guess what ingredients went into it, so that was a pretty fun game. I think I really like the citrusy ones. For lunch, we went to good old McDonald's, and after that, Sid brought me to one of his favorite museums, the Museum of Natural History. I really liked it there. It was so cool to see actual fossils of dinosaurs. Isn't it crazy that these giant creatures used to roam the earth? Right outside the museum, there was a pretty botanical garden, so we walked around there and had an ice cream. It was a really perfect sunny day. The next day, we were pretty exhausted from all the traveling and walking, so we decided to chill at home. We went to the supermarket and got some snacks and groceries. We also dropped by the local bakery and they sold the best pastries. The macarons were extraordinary. It was so big and honestly just as good as La Durée. The next day, we woke up bright and early and we went to a bistro for lunch. I ordered the duck and it was really good. Sid ordered a dish with fish and we also ordered a salad to share. For dessert, we ordered a pear mousse with cream. It was delicious. After that, we visited the Notre Dame. This was before the fire, and here you can admire it in all its beauty. This was yet another beautiful church. The architecture was so intricate and just amazing. And as usual, we got another coin for souvenir. At the end of the trip, I think we had spent so much money on these. Oh my god. And this is it for this vlog. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button below. I post a new video every Sunday, so please stay tuned for part 4 of my France travel vlog next week. And I'll see you in the next one. A bientôt!